Have you ever spent good money on meat, vegetables, or leftovers, only to discover them covered in freezer burn a few weeks later? Or maybe you've tried vacuum sealing delicate foods, only to end up crushing them or making a mess with leaking liquids. If that sounds familiar, today's product might be exactly what your kitchen needs. Let's take a closer look at the Gasbye 95kPa precision vacuum sealer machine and see if it delivers on its promises. The Gasbye 95kPa precision vacuum sealer is designed for meal preppers, home cooks, hunters, sous vide enthusiasts, and families who buy groceries in bulk. Its goal is simple: preserve food longer, reduce waste, and make freezer organization much easier. With powerful suction, double heat sealing, pulse mode for delicate foods, and built-in bag storage with a cutter, it aims to offer premium features without an intimidating learning curve. If you'd like to check it out, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the machine has a sleek silver finish that gives it a modern, premium appearance. It looks clean enough to leave on the countertop instead of hiding it away after every use. The controls are clearly labeled, and the progress display provides helpful feedback throughout the sealing process. One feature you'll appreciate immediately is the easy lock handle. Instead of struggling to press down evenly on both sides, the lid locks securely with minimal effort, making everyday use much more convenient. Another standout feature is the built-in bag storage and integrated cutter. Rather than measuring bags with scissors every time, you simply pull out the amount you need and cut it directly inside the machine. Not only does this speed up meal prep, but it also reduces wasted bag material because you can create custom size bags for everything from individual portions to larger cuts of meat. Performance is where the Gasbye really shines. The 95kPa suction motor removes air quickly and creates tight, consistent seals that help protect food from freezer burn while extending freshness. Whether you're sealing steaks, chicken breasts, vegetables, cheese, coffee beans, or leftovers, the machine delivers strong, reliable results. The double heat seal adds another level of confidence by creating two sealing strips instead of one, making it especially useful for long-term freezer storage and sous vide cooking, where leaks can ruin an otherwise perfect meal. One of the most useful additions is pulse mode. Unlike fully automatic vacuum sealers that always use maximum suction, pulse mode lets you remove air gradually. This makes it much easier to vacuum seal delicate foods like bread, berries, pastries, or chips without crushing them. It's also incredibly helpful when sealing moist foods because you can stop suction before liquids are pulled into the sealing chamber, resulting in cleaner, stronger seals. The machine is equally impressive when it comes to convenience. The removable drip tray catches excess moisture, making cleanup quick and preventing liquids from building up inside the unit. Most spills wipe away easily, and because the controls are straightforward, even first-time users can feel comfortable after only a few sealing sessions. The included starter kit, complete with vacuum bags, bag rolls, replacement foam gaskets, and an external suction hose, means you can begin sealing food almost immediately without purchasing extra accessories. Another advantage that isn't always discussed is long-term ownership. Gasbye offers affordable replacement parts for common wear items like the foam gasket, drip tray, and cutter. That's surprisingly rare in this price range and could extend the life of the machine significantly. Instead of replacing the entire vacuum sealer because of one worn component, you can simply replace the individual part at a relatively low cost. Of course, there are a few limitations. Compatible vacuum food containers are sold separately, so if you plan to vacuum seal marinades or liquid-heavy foods in containers, that's an additional purchase. Also, while the machine is slightly larger than basic entry-level models, most of that extra size comes from the convenient built-in bag storage and cutter. If you're ready to make food storage easier while protecting your groceries from freezer burn, the Gasbye Vacuum Sealer is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.